Today, the goal of smart factories is well within reach. The real benefits of these advancements lie in the real-time management, data analysis, and data visualization. Advantech offers extensive machine automation and control technologies and focuses on Industry 4.0 in 3 ways. Firstly, equipment connectivity to enable intelligent services. Secondly, acquiring production data for real-time visualization and management. And lastly, big data analysis for better overall equipment effectiveness and preventative maintenance. The iFactory Digital Operations Center visualizes real-time data through big data and AI to help managers quickly get a comprehensive overview of each factory. For example, detailed real-time data about each machine is instantly available. Information such as utilization rates, production quality, and faults. Also, the dashboard displays information about predictive maintenance schedules used to improve production efficiency and reduce maintenance cost.
Advantech provides a complete IoT application architecture to create an iFactory Digital Operations Center for Industry 4.0 transformation.
To learn more, please visit Advantech's website